In this video, we're going to go through and we're going to determine whether or not an ordered pair is a solution for a given system. So to do this, all we need to do is substitute in our x value and y value into both equations and see if it makes the equation true. So we'll start this. We have the system of linear equations. 2/5 x minus y equals 0. 3x minus y equals 13. And we want to know if 5/2 is a solution. So to do this, we're going to start with our first equation. So I have 2/5. Oops, we can actually write on here. 2/5 x. Well, my x value is 5. So we'll just substitute 5 in for 2/5. Minus y, which is 2. And then we want to know if that equals 0. Well, 2/5 times 5, well, we can think of this as 5/1. Two ways that you can think about this, multiplying fractions. You can either multiply straight across, so 2 times 5 and 5 times 1. Or I can look and see, well, if I have 5 in both the numerator and the denominator, they cancel out as 5 divided by 5 is 1. And then I can still multiply across. 2 times 1, 1 times 1. 2 divided by 1 is just 2. 2 minus 2, and we're still wondering, is this going to make the equation true? 2 minus 2 is 0. 0 equals 0. So this first one checks out, and 5/2 is a solution to the first equation. Let's check it out for the second equation. We have 3x minus y equals 13. So we have 3 times my x value minus y, which is 2. And we want to know if that's going to be equal to 13. 3 times 5 is 15. 15 minus 2 is 13. That checks out. 13 equals 13. So 5/2 is also a solution to our second equation. Because the point is a solution to both equations, then 5/2 is a solution to the system of equations. Let's take a look at another example. If you want to, go ahead and pause the video and try this one out on your own first. All right. Same idea as in the last example. I'm going to substitute in my x value and y value into both equations here. So starting with my first equation, I'm hoping that 2, my x value, plus 3 times 2, my y value, equals 0. Well, let's try this out. 3 times 2 is 6. 2 plus 6 equals 8. Well, 8 is not equal to 0, so it is not, 5/2 is not a solution. And I don't even have to do the second equation or check the second equation, because if 2/2 is not a solution for one of them, then I can say that 2/2 is not a solution for the system. All right, there we go. That's how you can check the systems to see if an ordered pair is a solution to a system of equations.